Today we're going to be assembling and setting up the Yaheetech 72-inch horticulture garden planter with trellis. We're going to walk you through how easy it is to put together and how it looks once it's ready for planting. This is designed for climbing plants, flowers, herbs, vegetables, and it works as both a raised bed and a vertical garden. When I first opened the box, my son and I realized that everything was neatly packed and protected. Inside, you get the wooden planter panels, the trellis pieces, the support bars, the hardware and screws, and the instruction manual. All the pieces were clearly labeled and nothing was damaged. The light brown wood finish looks natural and it blends well into the outdoor spaces. First, we connected the side panels to form the raised bed. The holes are pre-drilled, which made lining up everything really easy. No forcing pieces and no having to guess where it goes. Next, we secured the bottom panels and internal supports. This helps keep the planter sturdy and prevent sagging once it's filled with soil. Everything fits together smoothly. The trellis pieces connect easily and form a tall vertical frame. Once assembled, you attach it to the back of the planter box. This part was simple and it didn't feel unstable at all. It feels strong enough to support climbing plants. From start to finish, this took me and my son about 30 minutes to assemble. We did use a power drill with a Phillips head drill bit in it, and that was just to move things along. If you've built furniture before, this will be very manageable. If this is something my 13-year-old son can do, then anyone can do it. One thing we really like is the built-in drainage holes. This is going to help prevent root rot, avoid water buildup, keep plants healthy, and it's perfect for outdoor use, especially after it rains. The raised height also makes gardening easier on your back and the knees, so no bending all the way down. Once assembled, you can add soil, compost, plant, and seeds. The planter has plenty of space for roots to grow, and the trellis gives climbing plants room to spread upward. This is great for tomatoes, cucumbers, beans, flowers, vines, herbs. Once we added the wheels, it feels solid. No wobbling, no shifting. The wood panels and frame hold up well even when fully loaded. The trellis has stayed upright and secure. This planter would be perfect for your backyard, a patio, a garden, a deck, maybe a small outdoor space or raised bed gardening area. If you want vertical growing space without building something custom, this is a fabulous option. We were sent this horticulture trellis to assemble and try out. We do believe that this was easy to assemble. It had clear instructions. We loved that it's a built-in trellis. It has great drainage. We love the raised design. It has an attractive wood finish, and it's great for climbing plants.